This video is dedicated to class 10th students. Today we will study trigonometric identity. What is the trigonometric identity? The equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called trigonometric identity. That means any equation in which there is the involve of trigonometric ratio of an angle, that is called trigonometric ratio, trigonometric identity. उसका मतलब यह है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी उसी को बोलते हैं जो भी इक्वेशन में क्या होता है ना, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज आर इन्वॉल्व्ड, ओके, एंड द रेशियोज ऑफ वन एंगल ओनली, and that ratio is one angle only. Let's the equation involving look, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle and this is 90 degree. This is the required angle theta. Okay, and this is AP. This is H hypotenuse. This is base and this is P. Now, according to the Pythagoras formula, H square is equal to P square plus P square. Yes or no? H square is equal to P square plus P square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. If we dividing H square by both sides, H square in both sides, then H square by H square is equal to P square by H square or B square by H square. And this is 1 and this is P by H and B by H is what? So P by H is equal to sin theta and B by H is equal to cos theta. So now a formula is obtained, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 16 number 1 formula. So from this, some auxiliary formulas are there. What is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, and sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta root over. Like that, cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta root over. Next we go through second formula. This is first formula, second formula. Look, we know H square is equal to P square plus B square. Now what is P square? P square is equal to H square minus dividing P square both sides. Now P square by P square, H square by P square, B square by P square. So here is 1 and here is H square, H by P whole square minus B by P whole square. So H by P we know, P by H is sin theta, H by P is cosec square theta, and B by H, P by B tan theta, this is cos square theta. That means this is a second formula. This is a second formula. So cosec square theta is equal to cosec square is equal to 1 plus cos square theta. This cos is minus If it comes to this side LHS, then minus becomes plus 1 plus cos square theta. Now what is cos square theta? Cos square theta is equal to cos square theta here, 1 is over here, so cosec square theta minus 1. Cosec theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta root over, and like that cos theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. This is the second formula. Next go to third formula. Here b square is equal to a square minus p square. Now dividing b square both sides. So b square by b square is equal to f square by b square minus p square by b square. That means 1 here, f square by b square is h by b whole square minus p by b whole square. H by b is b by h is cos theta, so this one is sec theta. Sec square है sec square theta, that is p by b tan square theta. Okay, so this is the third formula. This is the third formula. Like that, sec square theta. If I find sec square theta, means minus tan is comes to left side, 1 plus tan square हो जाएगा. Like that, only tan square theta is equal to 1. Here is 1 plus 1. It goes to that side, that is minus 1. Like that, sec theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta root over. Like that, tan theta is equal to sec square theta by root over. Now I am giving a short trick to eradicate your tension. Number, how to remember these three formula. Number 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Number 2 is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Number 3 is cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the formula, three formula. So how to remember? I am giving that is, caste system, SC, scheduled caste, that is ST, scheduled tribe, that is CC, common caste. SC scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, common. S for sin, C for cos. S for sec, T for tan, C for cosec and C for cot. So here is a problem is, first you write cot or first you write cosec. Always subtraction is from highest to lowest. So cosec square is highest number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letter is there and here is 3 letter. So बड़ा letter से छोटा letter को you have to subtract. So common caste cosec square minus cot square and sec square minus tan square, that is ST, and scheduled caste, that means sin plus cos. This is the formula. And look out some example how to use this formula. Number 1 is given sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Then ask find other ratio. Find the other ratio. So how can find sin theta 3 by 5? That means cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta root over. So sin 3 by 5 whole square, 1 minus, that is 9 by 25. 25 minus 9 by 25, 16 by 25, 4 by 5. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is 3 by 5, this is 1 is 4 by 5, that means 3 by 4. What is cot theta? 1 by tan theta. So 1 by 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Tan cot. Next is sec theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is 4 by 5, 5 by 4. Like that, cosec theta 1 by sin theta 1 by 3 by 4 is 5 by 4 by. Like that, this is the formula you can derive. We also use this identity in several types of formula. Several types of problem. You can find the several type of problem I also solve for you in next video. Thank you for watching.